Good night. My name is Angianina Lugo Loaiza. I'm 23 years old and living in Ibagué City. I'm an environmental engineering student from CEA Ibagué, Tolima. I like to listen to music and read. I live with my mother, my father, my two sisters, and my niece. I'm on la vacation. I went to Piscilago with my sister husband, and my boyfriend. I like that place very much and I recommend it. It's because there are many attractions and nomads to visit. The weather is sunny with an average of 28 degrees. It is recommended to, to use swimsuit. It is recommended sunglasses. It is recommended sunscreen. It is recommended sandals. It is recommended poles. It is recommended slides. Thank you.